In this video, we will see how we can compile and run a Java program from command prompt in Windows computer or laptop. So here, in order to demonstrate this, what I have done is in my desktop, I have created a folder called as Java. In this folder, I have this file called as hello.java, which contains a small Java program. Now I will open up this folder using a text editor that I have installed in this computer. And you guys can see the contents of this file. So the name of the file is hello.java, and in this file we have a package called as demo. In this package we have this class called as hello, and inside this class we have the static void main method, which is the entry point of our program, and it displays hello YouTube text to the screen. So now I will close this text editor. Now let us see how we can compile and run this Java program using the command prompt. So the first thing that I have to do here is I have to open up the command prompt with this particular location. To do that, I will go to this navigation section, and then I will left click in my mouse in the empty area. It will highlight the path like this. Then I will type in CMD and I will hit the enter button. Once I do that, we can see that the command prompt has been opened, and if you look at this path, then it is the path for the folder where we have this Java file. So now how we can run the Java program. Now in order to run a Java program, what we have to do is we have to provide the Java source file to the Java compiler. It will generate something called as a bytecode. Then we have to provide the bytecode to the Java interpreter, and the Java interpreter will run the program. When we compile the Java source file using the Java compiler, for every class that are present in the program, a .class file will be created. This .class file will contain the bytecode for that particular class. So here now we will call the Java compiler by using the javac command, and then we will use -d, and this -d indicates that if the classes that are defined in this file or in this program are present inside the packages or sub packages, then we want the Java compiler to create folders in the name of the packages and sub packages, and we want the compiler to place the .class files inside those folders. If it is confusing to you, don't worry, when we run this program, it will be clear. Now the next thing that we have to specify here is the location where we want to save the generated files from this Java compiler, which will contain the bytecode. Right now, I want to save them in the current folder from which I am running this program. That's why I will use a dot here. And after that, we have to provide the name of the file which is containing the source code. So in this case, it will be hello.java. Now, if I run this program, what happens? We don't see anything happening in the command prompt, but if you look at this folder, then a folder has been created called as demo. If I open up this folder, then inside the demo folder, we can find this hello.class. I will go back to the Java folder where we have this source file. I will open up this source file using a text editor. Now what happened here is, if you remember, we specified -d while calling the Java compiler, javac -d. So because of that, if the class is present inside a package or a sub package, a folder has to be created with the name of the package, and the .class file will be placed inside that folder. So here the package that we have in this program is demo, and that's why this demo folder has been created. If I open up this folder, then you can see hello.class. This is the .class file which is containing the bytecode for this hello class. So you can see class name is hello. So the same name is used, but the file extension is .class. It is containing the bytecode. Okay, now again we go back to the Java folder, and now how we can run this program. Now we have the bytecode. all we have to do is we have to call the Java interpreter, and we have to provide the class which contains the static void main method or the entry point of our program. So here we know that the static void main method is present inside the hello class, and the .class file for the hello class is present inside this demo folder. So we will type in demo dot name of the class containing the static void main method, which is hello. Okay, now if I hit the enter button, we can see the output of this program, which is hello YouTube. So this is it guys for this particular video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.